cluster stitch. Let's get started. Hiyo. First of all, please check my description box for all the details. I include pretty much everything such as written pattern. Okay? This is beautiful cluster stitch. I think this is great idea for the beanies, hat, and maybe sweaters. Okay? So I knit few rows, with the garter stitch as a frame. Okay? The pattern is within the marker. Okay? And cast on should be multiple of 8 plus 5. I made 29. So 8 times 3 is 24, right? Plus 5 is 29. So I made 29 in between markers. Okay? So row number 1 and row number 2, super easy. Just stockinette stitch. Row number 1, right side, all knit. And row number 2, wrong side, all purl. Super easy. This actually pattern is quite beginner friendly. It looks a little bit tricky, but it's not that, difficult. Okay? So row number 3, right side. There we go. Easy. With some bracket means repeat. Okay? So the pattern begins now. So repeat off, knit 5, and then cluster. Okay, I'll show you exactly how to do it, so don't worry about it. You need cable needle, but it's not cable knitting, as you know. So pick up 3 stitches like that, and then you wrap those 3 stitches 6 times. There we go. That's it. Don't pull too hard. And then, there we go. Grab those 3 stitches on cable needle and then knit 3. Just like, cable knitting, but it's not cabling. That's it. And then repeat, knit 5. And cluster. There you go. Grab the cable needle and pick 3 stitches up and then wrap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Just take your time. There we go. And then knit 3 from the cable needle. That's it. Easy, isn't it? And one more time. Repeat off, knit 5 and cluster. Okay? So it's really nice design. And I think I'm gonna actually knit one beanie with this pattern someday. Actually, I thought about what's the difference between bubble. A lot of people don't like the creating the bubble. I think the cluster is maybe easier to create. However, the wrong side is a little bumpy too with this cluster pattern. But is it bothering you? I don't think so. So, it's up to you. It's really cute. Okay? Anyway, row number 3, knit 5 at the end. That's it. Okay? And then row number 4, 5, 6, just follow the, written pattern. Very straightforward. And row number 7, knit 1 to start, and then cluster. This is not repeat. Okay, repeat is after the first cluster. And I just want to show you, if you don't like knitting 3 stitches from the cable needle, because it's kind of awkward, then you can do this, okay? Transfer 3 stitches back onto the left needle, like that. And then knit, just like cable knitting, okay? If you're a beginner, sometimes they don't like using the cable needle because, obviously 2 needle knitting is much easier, right? So it's really up to you. I just want to show you one more time, or maybe more. I don't remember, but okay. So cable knitting, 1, 2, 3, right? And then, well, not cable knitting, cable needle. And then wrap 1, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then transfer those 3 stitches back onto left needle. Oops, I don't like it. So I'm actually, yeah, do you know what? When I actually wrap, the first wrap was a little bit too tight, or next one is too loose. So those cluster is not really nicely needed, lined up. That's why I actually redo it. There you go. Okay, so you just have to repeat until one last stitch and then knit 1 at the end. There you go. And almost done on row number 7 and knit 1 at the end. And row number 8 or purl. That's it. And I actually repeat from row number 1 to row number 8, couple more times. And I'll show you what it's really, like after a few rows repeat. There we go. Don't you think it's kind of cute? And this is actually a good design for the pocket for sweaters and stuff. Okay, so save it and try. Enjoy knitting. Bye for now.